pause the recording here and pick it back up. Here they come. I'm wondering when it was going to happen.
This interaction starts calmly, but pay close attention, because within minutes, a routine conversation outside a police station escalates into a Section 43 terrorism stop. The filmer is openly recording from a public place. The officer questions his intent, and almost immediately, suspicion replaces dialogue. This is where police audits become critical, not because filming is illegal, but because how officers interpret behavior can radically change someone's rights. Watch closely how the language shifts, how justifications evolve, and how quickly filming turns into detention. The real question is simple: does recording a police station automatically make you a threat?
Hello, sir, you alright?
Good, are you?
I am alright.
You have to let me know. You have to let me know, by the way, before you start recording.
I haven't done anything, have I? I've asked you if you're alright.
Yeah, but you turned your body worn on without letting me know.
Well, you obviously do know it's on because you're telling me about it.
Yeah, but it's in your policy.
What's the reason
You
for
have
you
to
being here today?
you have to inform me. Just keep a bit of distance, thanks.
What's the reason for you being here today?
I'm here to make a video.
What's that video about?
The police station.
The video about the police. Concerning that you're just turning up here, trying to watch people going inside and out the police station, watching people coming and going, recording registration marks, and trying to look at pins.
I'm not trying to look at anyone's pin.
It's not what I've been told by people that are coming in.
Come on. Let's not go down that route. I'm not trying to look at anyone's pin, man. Let's be objective here.
It seems to be very suspicious behaviour to me.
No, it's not suspicious. There's nothing suspicious about it. I'm filming from public. It's your job to secure it. Hi, let's hypothetically say I could see the pin.
Yeah?
Legally speaking, I could record it if I so wanted to, but believe me, I don't want to.
And
it's your job to secure it.
Yeah, and do you not think that that would be cause for me to be...
Right.
It would seem to me like you are making observations around the security of the police station.
Okay, so what about cars that have got dash cams and stuff like that? Could they not make those same observations?
Sorry?
Cars with dash cams fitted could hypothetically
Cars with dash cams fitted aren't going to sit there and watch officers coming in and out. It's going to be just an incidental thing, isn't it?
Okay, well this also happens to be incidental. I haven't come here with a particular plan to
Well, you've also been inside the front office.
To make them aware of my presence.
Is that what you've explained to them?
Yes. So that it wouldn't come as a surprise.
Recording, or are you live streaming?
I'm recording, I'm not live streaming.
You're recording, okay, right.
You're going to search me now, are you?
This is a crucial moment. The officer invokes Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, which allows a search only when there are reasonable grounds to suspect terrorist activity, not curiosity, not discomfort, and not filming alone. Notice the justification being used here: unnatural interest in security. That's subjective language, not objective evidence. Auditors often highlight this exact issue, where lawful behavior gets reframed as suspicious after the fact. Also pay attention to how cooperation is happening on one side, while escalation continues on the other. Ask yourself, would this stop have happened if no camera was present? And more importantly, do these grounds actually meet the legal threshold?
Yes.
Why are you going to search me, Sergeant?
Okay. I am concerned your activity may be terrorist related.
Okay, so what are your grounds to reasonably suspect that I'm a terrorist?
I've literally just explained that to you.
Okay, so what are you going to launch with? I'm not going to obstruct your search. I'm not going to obstruct your search.
Would you mind handing your camera over to my colleague so he can film it while I'm doing it?
I can keep it in my hand. I will, like I say, I won't obstruct you.
Have something in your hand because you could use it to hit me. I'm not suggesting you have to stop filming it.
Okay, I mean...
Do you have a problem with him filming it?
I don't. I would rather just keep it in my hand though. I'm not going to obstruct your search.
I've made a reason to obtain
and if I was to
your
refuse...
video and record of it, well, I will simply take it from you.
I haven't been hostile though. I've been pretty cooperative.
I've said that. I will then look to review the images that are on it. I'm not going to delete it or anything like that.
Alright, so can I prop it?
Is this Coley?
Yeah, it is. Oh, what's going on, Brown? What's going on, Brown? Who remembers this geezer? From Bethnal Green.
Yeah, no, it's just you deal.
He's about to search me. Oh, Brown, tell him not to search me, please. He's about to search me under Section 43. No, tell him. No, tell him. Oh, tell him. No, tell him, man. No, you ain't got no grounds. You ain't got no grounds. No, tell him. Oh, Brown, that's not good, you know. You sure you still want to do this, yeah?
Do you want to give Chris your phone so he can film it on your behalf? Chris, if you'd like to maintain it so that he can do it.
No worries, Sarge.
Yeah, no, do it landscape.
After this, as part of the search,
what are your grounds? Come a little bit closer so the camera can pick up the audio.
after this, we are allowed to go through the images that any of my concerns are done. I've already explained them to you.
No, you haven't explained the grounds. So how do you reasonably suspect that I'm a terrorist? What are the grounds that reasonably suspect that I'm a terrorist?
Because you are taking an unnatural degree of interest in the security aspects of the police station.
So that's not an objective basis to reasonably suspect that I'm a terrorist.
Yes, I think
No, it's not.
is.
I don't believe it is.
Well, if you don't.
Do you mind
think
stopping the
it is-
recording and starting it again?
If you don't,
I'll give it back. Don't worry. Yeah, go on.
are you going to say something now? It's not being recorded.
No, not at all. I just wanted to preserve the recording so that I don't lose it. I don't think you've got grounds to reasonably suspect I'm a
Well,
terrorist.
if you don't think I've got grounds, then you don't think I've got grounds.
No, but this is not subjective. This is not open to debate.
Exactly.
It has to be an
So
objective basis.
If you disagree with my assessment,
So what you're doing is
that's
illegal.
Fine.
What you're doing is
That's
illegal. What he's
fine.
doing is illegal.
Then you can complain about it.
I won't be complaining.
And
I'll be suing.
It will then
I'll
get
be
reviewed.
suing.
Well, that would be via a complaint, wouldn't it?
No, it wouldn't be via a complaint.
So my name's Sergeant Mugland. I obviously work here at Sutton Police Station, and you're detained for the purpose.
Okay.
of
And what
this
you
search.
expecting to find? Because that's part of the search criteria. They have to
Objects.
satisfy objects relating to what?
Objects related to terrorism. So
Such as?
So that could be if there are
I've got about
images
this
of you know, the CCTV. If there is footage of you watching people trying to go in, if you are
Yeah, and I can
if
film
you are
it.
getting stuff
I
of
film it in
people's
public.
registration as they're coming in and out.
Yeah.
If you have any objects on you that would be in there that would be terrorist related,
Such
if you
as
could
what?
have things like
Maps?
no, not necessarily maps, but things like rope, gaffer tape, any of these things, weapons, can all be used as part of terrorist-related
Do you
activity.
think that the police station is a valuable target for a terrorist?
Extremely.
I think so. Why? Is there any data that supports that? Any sort of given incidents in the past?
Yes. Police officers have literally been targeted and attacked. So I've got this.
No, I don't consent to this. I don't touch it.
Search is happening whether you consent to it or not. So it's up
not
to
good-
you.
it's not good enough, really.
It's up to you whether this is done gently and nicely or if it is done with restraint and handcuffs.
This is how you would
Do you
apprehend a terrorist. Where you just let one guy record and it's just
I've
me
let
and
him
you.
record as a courtesy
So it's just
to-
me and you. So this is a suspected terrorist you're
because
about to
if
search.
he has-
Is this a good idea then?
Yeah.
So
If
this is
he-
a good idea. We're
if he-
1-on-1 right now. This is a good idea, is it?
Well, we're 2-on-1, 3-on-1, 4-on-1, aren't we?
It's ridiculous.
Within-
you know
within
it's
a
ridiculous.
second.
You know full well I'm not a terrorist. You crack on.
So what's your
It's
name?
ridiculous. I'm not going to tell you my name.
How would you like me to
Part of
address
my
you?
powers. Part of the powers.
It
for
certainly
this-
is. How would you like me
Section
to address
43
you?
powers does
Yeah.
not give you powers for me to give my name. I don't have to give my name.
No, I didn't say it does. I just said, how would you like me to address you?
Stop trying to treat me like you're treating me respect. Like you're violating my
treating
rights.
you-
You're violating
I am
my
treating you
rights
with
right now.
respect.
You're
What?
violating my rights and you're trying to act
What?
friendly and this and that. Like, come on, man.
What right am I violating?
My freedom to record from in a public
I
place.
haven't stopped you recording.
Yes,
I haven't
but
stopped you
you're
recording.
interfering with it.
I'm
There
not.
are no grounds for the search. You are
I've
interfering
given you
with
the
it.
grounds for my
There
search.
is no
I've given you the
grounds.
grounds for my search twice.
You haven't gone about this
I
very
think that they
well.
will stand up to scrutiny extremely well.
You haven't gone about this well. Don't put your hands there, man.
Huh?
Don't put your hands in there. What's wrong with you?
Don't put my hands in where? In your waistband?
In my waistband, yeah.
Why would I
You're this
put my hands in
weirdo
your
guy, bro. You like touching men.
No, not particularly.
No, I think
Well,
you
I'll
do.
do my job if I have to.
Yeah. This is very, very
do you,
suspect.
how
This
do
is
you-
very unusual.
Is it?
This is very unusual.
How
All
do
for
you
someone
know,
filming, what, outside? This is very unusual behaviour at the moment.
It's very unusual to film outside.
Okay.
How do you know my my colleague over there?
It doesn't matter how I know.
Huh?
It doesn't
He's got
matter.
his own YouTube channel.
Does he?
Yeah.
That's exciting. I've been on YouTube before
You're
doing
weirdo,
this for
you're
someone
weirdo.
pretending to have Ebola on the tube
He's got
station.
bail conditions as well. So.
Do you? That's exciting to know. So
To
it
me?
looks like we do know your details.
Don't worry, we know who you are, don't worry, we do know who you are.
Well, I'm not worried. Why would I be worried?
Yeah.
What are your bail conditions, Chris? What's the bail conditions?
Live and sleep at his address.
Is it local to us?
No, it's not. He's not even from. He doesn't even live
No?
in London. No.
Alright, so just wait there. I'm going to go through your bag as well.
Alright, let's get the phone back then. Thank you.
No, because you want to review the images that are on there. Chris,
Yeah,
you want to review the images, a copy of the search slip, which...
Yeah, write me
I
up
can
that
do now.
search slip, please.
Yeah, alright, no problem. I'll have to go inside and grab.
Yeah, if you could do that.
Are you going to wait here or are you going to wait in the front office?
I'm going to wait right here.
You wait here, right?
Keep
I'll be back
filming.
very, very shortly with that.
Totally.
What's up?
Alright, dude. Alright.
You good though, yeah?
Yeah, I like the comments on your live on my one.
What? Yeah, they like you,
What was
innit?
it? I can talk a glass eye to sleep, yeah?
Talk the back legs off a donkey and that.
That's it.
They're not gonna like me sitting here joking and that with you lot, you know, after this just happened. I've got to go, I need to get back into character real quick.
Individual officers doing have individual grounds, yeah?
Oh, you should have told him though, you should have told him not to search me. Because technically he could be liable now if I was to bring a sick. Because he didn't have sufficient grounds to search me.
Each day is different.
I know, but I hear what you're saying, but legally, there's no grounds to search me for doing what I'm doing.
Different grounds, and
no, it shouldn't be different grounds. It's not subjective though, is it?
No, of course it is.
How's man going to feature on the channel twice, man? For flip's sake.
It's different grounds, though, isn't it? I know they're going to hate.
What are you doing around here anyway? Why you not at Bethnal?
No, work out of it.
Oh, well, they moved you here now.
I was at Met Wide. I was all over.
Did you not see that thing with Sergeant Boughton? So I found out where the back gate was at Bethnal. I was filming it, and this guy come out on some mad.
What, same day?
Nah, this was like 2 or 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Craziness, man. He even said he knew what I was there for, and he still searched me under section 43. Like.
Their own. I can't tell you other officers. Just like this officer might have different reasons. I would have different reasons. Like I said, I might be a bit.
It is what it is, man.
I might be a bit old school. Some people might think I'm a bit lapsed. You know, taxpayers' money. I should have jumped out and dealt with you. Some people will be like.
No, because you need to use intuition and like instinct and stuff. Do you know what I mean? You're not robots.
I use experience.
Well, there you go.
So that's it. But I'm not
setting
saying,
a good example for the young officers.
Yeah, but I'm not saying, you know, that today's different circumstances at Bethnal Green. You know, you have been in the front office. There was a lady there. We need to make sure that you know.
So were they happy with that footage then? Because listen, I'm not here trying to like record victims of crime. Like we can come to a compromise. You know what I mean?
That's what I'm saying. That circumstance is completely different to our Bethnal Green experience. So
yeah, but that's not the reason why he went through my phone.
No, I don't.
That information was found out later.
I weren't here to hear his grounds, whatever. No, he's a sergeant, so I'm sure his grounds are absolutely fine. But so
yeah, you reckon? Yeah.
Argue. Well, that's obviously up to interpretation, but that's I didn't hear. So I'm just out here to make sure that everyone's all right, and we're not going to.
Okay, yeah, no, we're good. So there's no
you get your copy, you slip, and then you're done.
So I can go in afterwards now.
By the end of this encounter, what we're left with is a textbook example of why public accountability matters. The filmer remains on public land, asserts his rights, and repeatedly asks for clear, objective grounds, while officers rely on intuition and experience rather than concrete evidence. Section 43 powers are serious, and when used loosely, they risk undermining public trust and civil liberties. Whether you believe the officer acted out of caution or overreach, one thing is clear: lawful filming is not terrorism. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to CopsScope for more real-world UK police audits, bodycam analysis, and accountability content.
Oh,
My body
it's
work stuff.
it's on bloody
So
live now, isn't it?
I've done it. No, I didn't do it like I did it on old trimming.
Yeah.
Just generate it, and then I can go back in and.
That's your
put the
reference
rest of it.
number, all
So
right.
go through
Thank you,
the
Mr. Brown.
station,
Take care, yeah?
provide you with a sanitised copy of it. I've got to go now back in and complete the grounds for it.
I'll give him a little same chat as last time, so. Cheers, sir.
Right, take care, fellas, yeah?
CopsScope, Connie.